Hey y'all, what's going on? I know it's been a cool minute since I made a video. A lot of things have happened. I moved, got a different job, and lots of different stuff. Been really busy. Never really had a chance to make a video, and I really was thinking about it right now. For a lot of you new guys, gals, working on vehicles, you're looking for tools. It just made me think about this right now because let me see. I'm changing my oil right now. But the problem is that the socket, a half-inch socket, that's just a little too tall for me to get this ratchet in there. So I had to get a wrench. So I have this ratcheting wrench set. When I was looking at it, it got me thinking, well, with that ratcheting wrench set, don't mind that, I just spilled water all over the place. I have all these from Cobalt, right? You see this guy right here? 10 millimeter. Something wrong with that picture, right? Let me just, for comparison. There's something wrong with that picture, right? Well, it's a completely different, that's a gear wrench. Don't mind that. But, same difference, right? It's missing a piece. It's missing, right? Now, I can tell you, when this broke, I took it back to Lowe's, because Lowe's is a Cobalt dealer. Now, I took it back to them, and they told me I had to contact the manufacturer. Now, as opposed to, you got something like Duralast, which is AutoZone, lifetime warranty, they don't bullshit. You walk in there, you hand them their shit, and they replace it on the spot. Not Lowe's. Lowe's does not do that. You have to contact the manufacturer who makes the wrenches for them to get their warranty handled. Which is, to me, it's some bullshit. That's why, if you're going to buy tools, don't get the Cobalt ones. Don't get me wrong, they look good and everything like that. Go to AutoZone, get the Duralast ones. They don't guaranteed for life. They ain't bullshitting. This is my second set. My socket ratchet set. The ratchet tooth broke on my old one. And since it's a whole set, I took it in and they gave me this one. And I've had this one for, hell, I don't know, 12, 13 years already. This thing's way past outdated. But that's how long I've had this one set. I know people like to talk shit about AutoZone tools, and when it comes down to it, brass tacks, lifetime warranty is lifetime warranty, and it's even better when you walk in the door and they replace it one for one, pro bono, like 100%. Nobody wants to have to deal with, you have to call the manufacturer, and then once you get in contact with them, then you deal with them. Nobody wants to do all that shit, because that's what happened with me and Cobalt. I called the manufacturer once I figured it out, because nobody at the store knew who the hell to talk to. So I had to figure it out. I figured it out, called them up, nobody answered. I had to leave a message. I left a message. I got an email back, I don't know, 2 weeks later, 3 weeks later, telling the situation. And they said, oh yeah, it'll be 6 to 8 weeks before anything happens. So what? Why am I gonna sit here and fight with you over one broken ratchet wrench out of the whole set? I'll just go buy one for another $10, whatever the fuck it is. Get something with lifetime warranty. Craftsman, fucking, they stood behind their product forever. I don't give a shit where it's made now. The shit, they stand behind it. Like I said, Harbor Freight, they stand behind it. You go in there and you swap your shit out right there. Boom, boom, boom. Done and done. Home Depot, the Husky brand. I've done it before. I've done it for company stuff. You walk in there and tell them, hey, this broke. I need a new one. Okay, cool. Go get it. You go get it. Or sometimes you ain't even got to do that. You just go back there, grab it, come back up to customer service and say, here, this one broke, but I got this one already to replace it. It's the same thing. And then I go back and forth, look it up, like, oh yeah, cool. Send you on your way. Plain and simple. So some of you guys that worrying about, oh, well, I want to get the best tools and this and that, like, fuck that shit. Get something with warranty. I mean, because everything's gonna break eventually. I mean, hell, Leatherman's. I broke a Leatherman. It wasn't even me. It was my partner. It broke the tip off of the end of the pliers on one side. It broke. Shit happens. I sent it into them. They fixed it. Sent it right back. So when you guys get to stop worrying about, oh, I gotta have the best brand of Snap-on this, and I'm like, yeah, don't be doing me wrong. Snap-on is good, cool and all. It's just expensive as fuck. But if you ain't got the coin for it, why even bother? Just get something with a lifetime warranty, and it's just gonna last you. Like I said, that socket set I've had over 13 years, roughly, probably even more than that. I don't even know. But it just lasted me. It lasted me this fucking long. Hell, I haven't lost it. One of the sockets. I don't even remember which one it is. I don't know where it is. I couldn't tell you when I lost it. I don't give a shit though, because I got a toolbox and I got full sets of tools, of sockets ready to go. I got a brand new Craftsman set still in the box. I ain't even touched it because I got so many fucking tools. I mean, hell, I might just sell it just to sell it because I don't need it really. I wanted to keep it so this way I can have a nice, full tool set and everything's matching. Instead of little hodgepodge tools, but even still, hodgepodge tools, they last. They got a lifetime warranty. You can't argue with it. That's what I'm saying. Like, you guys need to think about this shit. Stop worrying about spending the money. Oh yeah, I gotta have the best this, best that. Half the time, hey, as long as it's got a good warranty, who gives a fuck? You know what I mean? That's why I say, AutoZone, Duralast, O'Reilly's. I mean, at least they stand behind their shit. Like a Harbor Freight stands behind their shit. Like, oh, it broke. Here you go. And it's just something for y'all to think about. It's one of the things. That's all I wanted to say. I'm done here. I'm going to finish changing my oil. Y'all have a good one. Peace out.